It's almost fall, y'all. In this video, I'm extending an open invitation to a collaboration. If you want to know all the details, stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Karen if you're new here, and I enjoy cooking, cleaning, home decor, and more. So if you enjoy that type of content, I would love for you to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you'll be one of the first to know every time that I upload a video. And if you're a return subscriber, welcome back. All right guys, I am so excited because fall is right around the corner. And fall is my absolute favorite season of the year. I just love fall. And that's why I'm so excited to be co-hosting a collaboration, a fall collaboration with two of my beautiful and talented sisters right here on YouTube, Cheryl of Miss Cheryl's Place and Cheryl of iStyle Design. Now the three of us are inviting all of you to participate in the Fall Unboxing and Decorate With Me Challenge for 2019. So guys, the rules of the challenge are really simple. We want you to unbox your fall decor and decorate a space in your home. And it can be any space that you guys want to decorate. But we want you to unbox your fall decor and decorate a space in your home, okay? And then we want you to please mention all of our channels in your video, and I will make sure and link Miss Cheryl's Place and iStyle Design. I'll link their channels in my description box, so mention all of our channels in your video and link all of our channels in your description box along with the playlist that we're going to provide for you guys. When it becomes available, make sure that you link the playlist in your description box as well. And the upload date for the video is going to be Saturday, September 7th at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Let me make sure that I have that date right. Yep, it's Saturday, September 7th after 8 a.m. Eastern Time. We want you to upload your video. And last but not least, just have fun. All right, guys, so we're so excited about this upcoming challenge, and we're looking forward to you guys participating. And so we'll see you guys on Saturday, September the 7th for the Fall Unboxing and Decorate With Me Challenge. All right, and remember to always live your life to the fullest every day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.